Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the phone has enough battery and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings now, tap the gear icon or pull down the shade and tap the gear. Once in Settings, type Accessibility in the search box or scroll to Accessibility and tap it. Make sure Talkback is visible in the list. You're doing this because Talkback lives under Accessibility, and reaching it is the only way to turn it off safely without losing other accessibility settings. You'll now open Talkback settings, tap Talkback in the accessibility list. If Talkback is currently speaking, remember to use single-finger double tap to activate any button and two-finger swipe to scroll. Locate the top toggle labeled Talkback and double tap to switch it off. A confirmation dialog appears. Double tap Confirm to finalize. This sequence uses Talkback gestures intentionally so you don't trigger unintended actions. And because the toggle, after turning it off, listen for the absence of speech and open accessibility to verify Talkback shows disabled. If Talkback refuses to respond to gestures, try the volume button's shortcut. Press both volume keys for 3 seconds if that shortcut is enabled in accessibility settings. If nothing changes, restart the phone to clear residual accessibility services. Once rebooted, return to accessibility and confirm Talkback remains off. This final check prevents surprises and restores normal touch behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.